In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Blood Strike game on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open any browser engine on your PC and search for Steam. So once you click on Steam, click Steam Game Download, and you have to install Steam on your PC. Click here, and after that you have to install it on your PC. For me, I can't because I already have it. So after installing Steam on your PC, it's going to launch here. As you can see right now, just open it, and it's going to open here on the home page. So after signing and creating an account on Steam, go to the search bar and search for Blood Strike and click on it. As you can see, it's for free, and click on play game now and click install, and the installation will start. Click on accept, and that's all, guys. So the installation here, as you can see, it's began. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.